Hey, it's Brenton. So you know that mortgage interest rates are now at a 22-year high, which is severely limiting people's budgets when it comes to their purchasing power. Because of that, strategy and timing matters more now than it ever has. And I'm going to suggest to you that in this unconventional time that we're in, it may be time to think about the length of your contracts. Every dollar matters to borrowers right now. If we get a contract with 25 to 30 days on it, then we're going to need to lock that loan in the next couple of days, no matter what, and get it in process. We try to operate on a timeline that'll get our loans clear within 14 days or so, which then gives us time to pivot if there ends up being a surprise somewhere. In that case, though, if it's a 25 to 30-day close, the client's going to have to take whatever the rates are that day, which in these times can be pretty tough. We spend about 30 to 60 minutes a day studying the markets and listening to the leaders in our industry who are sharing their knowledge of the factors that affect mortgage rates. And then we'll typically batch lock our loans, which means I'll strategize with our clients and wait for the exact right time to lock in an interest rate, which can sometimes be a week or more after going under contract. If we've got a 40 or 45-day contract, that gives us the latitude to try to save them as much money as possible. Rates can often change 3 or 4 times a day. And when we find a sweet spot pricing wise, we try to jump on it and get a bunch of loans locked at once in order to save our people as much money as we can. Yes, they're likely going to be refinancing in the next couple of years, but in the meantime, we've got to save them as much money as we can in that monthly payment. Once we lock, we still lock and shop. So if there is an opportunity, if the contract timeline is long enough, we've got an opportunity to move them to a different underwriter for a better interest rate a week or two after lock. We still do that. But it's just, I think, a practice worth looking at, something to think about maybe extending your contracts a little bit longer than usual in these times. Now is not the time to be greedy, to get tied to a paycheck, to think that you have to have this money as fast as you can get it. Let's do the best thing for our people. Give me a call if you want me to explain this further. Have a great day. See ya.